Let's start. I'll share the screen. People just tell me someone of you whether my voice is audible as well as you people are able to see the screen also. And as compared with division A, B division students are more. Many more students are from B division. And from A division, only 6 students have joined. So see the difference. Anyway, uh, it is not about the any division. So let's start. All right, this was the question that we people have discussed last time. If you remember, cunning and fox, this is the quality of the fox, and timid that we people have discussed. It was actually answer given of ass, but we thought that it might be rabbit, which is timid animal. Anyway, with this, we are going to discuss today's first question, and it is in front of your screen. It says aeroplane and cockpit. This is one pair. So people just try to understand how aeroplane and cockpit they are related with each other, and then you people just think same kind of relationship with train and which one of the following. And your options are option A wagon, option B coach, option C compartment, or option D engine. And you people can answer now. You can answer in any way. You can unmute your mic and you can talk, or you can just put your answers into chat box. Saurabh, you're saying option D, engine. Okay, any other responses? Suraj saying option C. Okay. Swapnil saying option C. Okay. So this question somewhat again confusing. See, aeroplane and cockpit, how they're related. Usually aeroplane has cockpit and where pilot works. So in case of train, you may relate that wagon or coach, compartment, they are all related with this uh, train, but actually the driver of train, it works in engine. Okay, so option D will be correct answer. So you people just take note of it. That this question is confusing. How it is confusing? Because engine means here the particular. Who's saying something? Swapnil, is everything all right? Or anybody wants to say something? Because I don't know who is this, but let it be. So engine, that we people have to understand, engine means the particular uh, compartment. Actually engine means a compartment, but where all things for controlling train, that engine we call. If you see a train, so first compartment is it is of train, and the driver of engine driver of train is in that engine, that compartment, and that's why we people have to choose. So instead of option C, we people will choose D. See, engine, that engine we should not consider the particular engine which works. So maybe engine of a four-wheeler, engine of a particular train, actual engine, that we are not taking into consideration. But engine, train engine, it is a particular separate compartment actually. And train driver, only person, operator, train operator. We cannot call it driver. Operator is the person who is in that compartment, and that's why option D will be the answer. Okay. Uh, so with this, you people just confirm your answer that it is option D and engine. The next question, question number 42, it says major and battalion. And battalion. This is one pair and options. Option A company, B regiment, option C army, or option D soldiers. So what do you think? What will be for colonel? Swapnil saying option B regiment. So if you think major and battalion, what kind of relationship is here? So major is the chief of a battalion. So similar, you people have to think for colonel. So colonel is the chief of what? As Swapnil is saying, option B regiment. And this is correct answer. So chief of the regiment is called colonel, and that's why option B will be correct answer. Okay. So people just confirm that if what your guess is same as regiment, then you are right. Then next question, question number 43, it says wrist and elbow. This is one pair. So ankle, and you people have to choose one of the following options. And options are option A heel, option B fingers, option C foot, option D knee. And you people have to answer now by considering this first pair, wrist and elbow. So what do you think for ankle? These are parts of our body actually, wrist, elbow, hmm? Then ankle. Swapnil saying option D, knee. So maybe you just think that why option D. Swapnil try to tell me. Snehal try to tell me why option D. How you related wrist and elbow? How relationship is there? Ankle and knee, how they're related, lower part. Swapnil, you're right that if you think of wrist and elbow and the your arm, at the end you will find that wrist is the lower part of that elbow. So similarly, you people will consider that ankle is the lower part of the knee, and that's why option D will be correct answer. Okay, just 1 minute. Some students are joining right now, so I have to admit them. Okay, so knee is the correct answer, as rightly mentioned by Snehal and Swapnil. You both of you are right that knee is the correct answer. Next question number 44. It says heart. You people have to think. Many students they say it hurt, but it is not hurt. You people have to pronounce it as a heart and not hurt. Hurt is another word. So it is related with pericardium. And similar, you people is related with what? And your options are A bones, option B head, option C skull, option D cranium. And you just think carefully and tell me why do you think particular option with explanation you mention. Saurabh, option C skull. How C? How why skull, Saurabh? See how you just think of first pair heart and that pericardium. So that is actually the part which protects, covering parts. Snail saying option D. Priyanka, you're also saying option D. So we people have to think bone cover. Yes, like bone cover or protection, something it protects uh, from maybe outer attacks or something like this, damage, etc. And so therefore, what you people are saying. So Priyanka, carnium protect brain. You're right. So what you people said, Suraj, you are also mentioning option D. So that protects brain. So therefore, you people are right. Option D. So if option D was not there, then you may just think of option C. Skull would be there, but if you think, then option D will be most suitable option here. Okay, so that's why we are going to choose option D and not C. Okay, all right, you people just confirm that option D, cranium, is the correct answer. The next question number 45, very simple question. All you people are able to answer this time. It says crow carrion. So you just try to understand what carrion is. So leech is related with what? And your options are option A, bugs, option B, blood, option C, meat, option D, bones. So Aditya saying option B, blood. Aditya, try to tell me why you chose option B, Snehal option B, blood. So carrion is the flesh of a dead animal on which crow feeds. So crow eats carrion, and that's why that is actually food for crow. Yes. So similarly, if you think of leech, so leech will feed on blood, and that's why you people are choosing option B, blood, which is the correct answer. As Priyanka, you are saying option B. Snehal, you're right. First feeds on the second. So crow feeds on carrion, leech feeds on blood, and that's why option B will be correct answer. Okay. So confirm your answer. That is option B. And then let's go to the next question, number 46. It says insert and extract. So insert and extract. What kind of pair? Synonyms or antonyms? So you think of mighty and choose whether synonym or antonym for the mighty. You people can choose option A, thin, B, strong, option C, frail, option D, feeble. And you people answer now. Insert and extract. Insert means to put something. Priyanka saying option D, feeble. Opposite words saying Swapnil, Monali saying option D, feeble, opposite pairs. So all you people are right that mighty means the person who is strong, and feeble means the person who is weak. So if the feeble is not there, then you can think of the option C. That's why I tell always that there are two or more than two options which seems right, which may be confusing, which may be correct, but out of that we people have to choose most suitable. Snell, you're right. Option D, feeble, means weak, so it makes opposite pair. Mighty and feeble, this is one pair, so insert and extract, that is also another pair, so it makes opposite of each other. So you people just confirm your answer that option D, feeble. Then next one, question number 47. It says perch. It is related with fresh water. So you people have to think of something from the options which is related with salty water. And your options are option A, crocodile, option B, frog, option C, cod, option D, snake. So which is related with what? Sorry, salty water. You people can answer. Snail saying option C, cod. See, what is perch in freshwater? So perch is the fish of freshwater which found in freshwater. So similarly, you people have to choose the fish which found in salty water. Priyanka also saying option C, cod. Okay, so and that is the correct answer. So option C will be final answer for this question. So you can think of crocodile also, but we are just thinking about the fish. Crocodile is not a fish, so you cannot go for this. So frog and snake also, they are not related with any way with salty water. In the same way, perch and fresh water related, and that's why we people will confirm our answer option C, cod. The next question, it is related to some scientific study of something. So ornithology or ornithologist is the person who studies birds. Okay, and that science is called ornithology. So similar, you people have to find out the person anthropologist. So what does anthropologist study? That you people have to choose from the option, and whether it studies plants or animals or mankind or environment. Okay, so Swapnil saying option C, Priyanka, Monali saying option C, uh, Kaji saying option C. So it is the study of mankind. So as rightly mentioned by you people, that the person who is anthropologist, he will study about the mankind well-being, welfare of mankind. Will always help for the upbringing of the society, and that's why the person who studies mankind is called anthropologist, and that science will be called anthropology. So people just think that option C will be the correct answer. Next question, 49 number, ice coolness. So Earth will have what? And your option A, ocean, option B, forest, option C, wet, option D, gravitation. So Suraj saying option D, gravitation. Why do you think? So Apnil, Aditya, you people are thinking option D. But somebody explain me, why do you think option D, gravitation? Tanya, you just tell me why option D. Property, yes, you're right, Suraj, that ice has the property of coolness. If you think any ice, it will be always cool in physical properties. You're right, Aditya. And gravitation, yes, you are right, Snehal. So Earth and property of physical property of Earth, it will be gravitation, and that's why you people will choose option D, which is the right answer. Effect of Earth is gravitation. Okay. So all you people are right. Explanation is also right, as rightly mentioned by all of you, and gravitation will be the answer. So as I told in the beginning, few students have joined. So next will be the last question for today's exercise, and after that we are going to stop, because very few students are interested in such things, and maybe your exams are there and might be some other students are busy with their studies, but let it be. So discuss this last question. 50, ocean, Pacific. So island, and for island you people have to choose options. Option A, Greenland, B, Ireland, C, Netherlands, D, Borneo. And for this, I got answer from Suraj, option A, Greenland. Swapnil saying option A. Priyanka saying option A. So how you related with this? Monal is saying option D, Borneo. Suraj saying greatest island. Borneo, Monali will think of the option D, greatest island, largest island, Swapnil and Suraj. So ocean. So Pacific is the ocean, but what kind of ocean Pacific is? Pacific is the largest ocean. So that way also we people have to think. If you think Out of this, Ireland or Netherlands, they're also islands, but out of that, we people have to choose the island which will be largest island, as rightly mentioned by Swapnil, largest, or Suraj, greatest. So Pacific is the that largest ocean. So Greenland is the largest island, and that's why option A will be answer, Monali, because others are also islands, but they are not greatest. I mean largest. Okay, so option A will be the answer. So with this, we are going to stop here. You people will just confirm your attendance and then you're free. If you have any doubts, questions in this, then you may ask. See, from division A, students like roll number 45, 58, 32, 65, 24, 55, then 17, 18, 35, 41, 24, 51, then 5, 31, 23, 30, 21, 63, the present. And from division B, roll number 20, 25, 48, 6, 43, 28, 29, 12, 23, 67, 56, 27, 52, roll number 8, roll number 56, I think it repeated 56, roll number 10, roll number 66, roll number 3, and roll number 61, they are present. Apart from this, if anybody is present but your name is not mentioned, you may just ask me. Otherwise, you people are free to leave meeting. We are going to stop here. Thank you all. I'll stop sharing the screen now. And as there are no any questions from other end, I'm going to end this meeting from my side.